Okay, this is your lesson on the 30th of June, and when we take a good look at your golf swing here, I mean, firstly from the front on position, we're going to see that your feet tend to be set a little bit too square. We'll see how you've got your feet completely straight here. You put a model swing up on the right hand screen. Okay, and what we'll see in this position here, he's got his feet a little bit flared out, maybe about 10 degrees is probably a perfect example, and this lets your body turn, your lower body turn on the way back correctly, and the body to turn on the way through. Okay. Now, we talked a lot about how your golf club actually worked in the golf swing. And if we take a look here, when you take it away, you tend to cock the club too much at the start of the swing. If we put this on here, where we're going to see the difference of, firstly, we'll see where that golf club is here, and we'll see how you've tended to overcock it too much in the first part of the swing. And when you keep going, we start to see where that club is. It tends to fall over through this way, and we take a look at where his is. Okay, and we'll see the difference of, I think one of the main things that we'll see is the difference of how he's controlled the golf club with his wrists through this part here. If we take a look from the back view, let's move you up a little bit here. We talked a little bit about your body being a little bit too straight in the setup position. Let's put a model swing up here. Okay, and we'll see as he bends down from the waist. Let's see, yours is just a little bit too straight in this section here. Now, if we take a look at your backswing here from the back again, we'll see how you've hinged the golf club too quickly in the backswing. If we take a look at where his is, okay, we'll see the golf club is now in a completely different place. And we draw a box here on the head of his club, and we'll see how yours has gone up through there. And you've continued on. And at this point we can't actually see the golf club. We'll see the difference of where that is in the top of the backswing. Okay, let's take this back to the start. Okay, I'm going to put your second swing on here. We saw an improvement with your, firstly we start to look at your feet are actually flared out a little bit now in the second swing. We'll see as you've taken that club away. Okay, the club hasn't cocked anywhere near as much of what you've done here in the original swing. We'll see how much that has cocked up through here, and we'll see where this club is through here. Okay, we'll see that one go to the top again, and we'll see the difference. So we've got a much better look with the backswings with the arms, and we talked a little bit about how the body turns in the backswing. Now let's put a model swing up here. Okay, on the left-hand screen. Now the body will turn as you swing the golf club, which I think is a key point. You'll see as this guy goes back. Okay, he's still got the club here. He lets the arms and the club pull his body around. We focus on this area here of where his body is. He hasn't moved off the golf ball too much. If we take a look at yours, okay, we've had a much better result in the start of the swing. Okay, we'll see a much better start of the swing, but we'll see how much your body's been pulled off. And if we go back and focus on this area down through here, and we'll see the red line here, you both started on this particular red line, and you'll see how much you've been pulled off the golf ball. Now it's very difficult for you to get back down to the impact heading position. You'll see with him, he's already there, he's on top of the golf ball. So, to summarise this, is the body will turn as you swing the golf club, rather than you getting the club started and then you're getting the big torso and shoulders to twist, and you see how much that pulls you off the golf ball. You can see how much that affects your eye line as well. You see your eyes get pulled off the golf ball so much through here. Take a look at the difference with him. There he is in the set-up position. He gets the club started, his body's still over the golf ball, and his club will pull him up and around. I mean, these are just some things that we talked about in today's lesson, and some things for you to work on.